Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Character AI without creating an account on your device. Firstly, launch a new web browser on your phone or computer. In the URL box, type character.ai and press enter. This will take you to the official Character AI website. Once on the website, you'll see that you're not logged in or signed up. You can browse and interact with various characters directly without needing to create an account. Select a character from the available options and start a conversation by typing a message. For example, type hi and see how the character responds. You won't be prompted to sign in. Feel free to explore different character categories and chat with any chatbots without issues. Just note that you only need to sign up if you want to create your own character or room. For these features, you'll surely be prompted to log in. Now, you can enjoy most of Character AI's features without creating an account. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.